Simba was crying with the Gisi people who have been marginalized. It was yani garenge li choli liaba libakurira. Iga kwane teru kamno muntu kurira. Tare the solutions yende yonse. Na ende birangara libyako tanga bache ba mitine chikaba na chinde paka nyalibo. Eline gento ya future. Bona for example nsarigo.
Yes.
Kwa iberu chombe. Now. Iko tebya abantu ngatonde tokitobweli. Nchombe nchibwo gusoko tebya abantu ngakitura bwati chombe chetu turairani. Gusoko bwati chombe chebiru.
Yes.
Bona oya bari ko tebya ngango chitore go ikaransa. Toje togite chombe nande moko iberwa hii maneno hatuwezi kuyakubali. Ndio tena bakwa na hatuwezi kuyakubali. Meaning he want to prevent for the future. Inkiatara bwateli billions and billions chibera bale mibono ikagusi tochirani. The only leader gusi omole minaro lile gusi oligere omorayo Patrick Yosero borabu. Nero kwananga egente keke ko irukoti. Yani go ikoro omurayi go kororege ntumutwari vision kwara abantu kuchio. Tari kwaso akorera n'abantu bona who is leading who. Erabune governor yes he county. In fact he could have called these people directors and directors apo libona anse kubwati chibesa chiaye chiabale mbaye sichibeire. That is the time when kakiyanya chae abantu bazite bakamentu 15 shillings on top of konya baiberu ekya mugako lingo tuomarenge nege kuba God bless his soul in peace. No muntu uri gukwana bake gusiyanyagera tari omuntu ogocha kotebanga aembawe abantu yani abarayi baito baka 40 million for example umanya gocha ocha ko abantu 64 shillings empowerment asegusi that is empowerment, that is poverty to people. Chibese 40 million onyom oro murayi bwate vision yokoraria wali dia abantu gochio nkiata gochakira industry eli kabantu nkiata gochakira a factory muna ejabo girango twegwete yakwaniru for all this time kangaja aenda beke 40 million ye chororo abantu bakora banse kori ikwororo. That is empowerment. Onyenya libali bwati asili toka lili nyingi beke a factory yeli toko wosebo basi. That is when you are leading people to a vision you have as a leader. Bona abana kinko barokera rulers, the best things baroku rulers. Yawe be ruler eko best in a place in a certain season oruli abantu okororuo without the legacy. That this our leaders yaba mokoroka leaders batakere go chaka bono baroku rulers. Our rulers. Baruli abantu bakora legacy teyo bakora bagenda. So ekiagera muntu togo so akoreresia abantu liba goko ba solution. Simba speech ya yegari ya rekorera abantu baito baiberwe seke gusi ntoligo chigotaka echa ego test gunomonwa echa ego inkorera arenge because that is the same language wakwa
Mushyo Peter.
Abana abali.
Mushyo Peter.
Yes.